Good morning, students. In my previous lectures, we discussed family Asteraceae, Cucurbitaceae, and Metaceae, along with their systematic position, vegetative and floral characters, economic importance, and phylogeny of the families. Today, we will discuss family Striculiaceae or Striculia family. This lecture is for MSc Botany Semester 3 students for the paper Taxonomy of Angiosperms. Systematic position of the family: Polypteri, Thalamiflorae, order Malvaceae. Characters of family Striculiaceae: we can call these characters as field recognition characters also. Plants, herbs or tree with stellate hairs, fibrous stem and mucilage sacs present in stem, leaves alternate, stipulate, flowers regular, hypogynous, hermaphrodite rarely unisexual, sepals and petals 5 each, stamens in two whorls, outer whorl is converted into staminodes, inner united into a tube, fertile stamen alternate with staminodes. Monoadelphous stamens, bithecus, carpels 5, syncarpous, ovary, pentalocular, axile placentation, sometimes raised on androgynophore, and fruit is schizocarpic. Vegetative characters of the family: habit, as we discussed earlier, trees, shrubs, and a few herbs with stellate hairs, rarely climber, Ainea, sometimes lianas, Whitneria. Root is typical dicotyledonous root, tap root, which is branched, stem erect, branched, fibrous, wood, and with mucilage sacs. Leaf simple or palmately compound, all lobed or with entire margins, alternate, stipulate, and stipule caducous. Now, floral characters of the family. Inflorescence is concerned, as far as inflorescence is concerned, axillary or terminal compound cymose. Sometimes cauliflorous. Cauliflorous, that is flowers borne on stem. Example, Theobroma. Now flower. Flower is actinomorphic, hypogynous, hermaphrodite or unisexual. Flower become unisexual by abortion of one of the members of essential whorls. It is pentamerous, androgynophore present in some species like Mansonia, etc. Calyx. Sepals 3 to 5, basally connate, hairy, aestivation is valvate, and sometimes they are petaloid as in Astraculia. Corolla, petals 5 or none. In Astraculia, petals absent. Free, imbricate, corolla turn either to left or right. Petals sometimes adnate to the staminode column. कभी कभी जो है ये staminode column से जुड़ के दिखाई देती हैं petals हमको. Now androecium. Stamen in two whorls. Those of outer whorl are antisepalous and reduced to staminodes. Reduced to staminodes, scales or absent. The three conditions we can find in different genera. Those of inner world, Antipetalus, definite or indefinite, and Monoadelphus. Anthers, Bythius. Note. Now, Gynoecium. Carpels 3 to 5, syncarpous, ovary superior, pentalocular or multilocular, sometimes raised above by the development of gynophore. Exile placentation, each chamber with 2 to many ovules. Monocarpellary and unilocular condition is seen in Valtheria. Style simple or divided into lobes. Each lobe terminates into a stigma. This is about Gynoecium. Fruit usually schizocarpic capsule or typical capsule, indehiscent or dehiscent, sometimes splitting into cocci. Seed numerous with fleshy endosperm, often winged and arylate. Pollination is entomophilous. All seeds are dispersed generally by wind and also sometimes by animals. Now, general floral formula is bracteate, bracteole, hermaphrodite, actinomorphic, calyx 3 to 5 free or 3 to 5 united, corolla 5 or none, endoecium 5 plus 5, and gynoecium 2 to 5 and ovary superior. Now, this is one member, Striculia. Here we can see this is dehiscing fruit. This is branch, flowering branch. This is inflorescence, flowers. This is floral diagram, pentalocular ovary, syncarpous, exile placentation, stamens, monoadelphous stamens, and one whorl is absent, that is petals absent. This is sepals which are petaloid. These are bracts and bracteoles. Flower top view and flower side view. So this is one member, one important member of the family Striculiaceae, that is Striculia. Distribution of the family Striculiaceae is the cocoa family comprises about 60 genera and 700 species, largely confined to the tropics and subtropics. In India, about 18 genera and 19 species have been reported. Economic importance of the family: fruit, the seeds of Theobroma cocoa on grinding yield cocoa and chocolate. The seeds are first fermented and then roasted before grinding. Fruits of Guasma almifolia and seeds of Striculia are edible. Medicinal importance of the members of this family are the root bark or roots of Abroma angusta are manigoic, used in female diseases. Cola nuts obtained from Cola vera and Cola acuminata contain caffeine and theine. When chewed, they help to overcome fatigue. They are also used in some refreshing drinks. Pterospermum of the family Striculiaceae is flowers of Pterospermum are very good insect repellent and disinfectants. Wood is obtained from Striculia species Mansonia, Dipeki. Ornamental plants are Abroma, Dombea, Pyrospermum species, etc. are often planted as ornamental plants. Now, affinities of the family Strigulaceae. The family Strigulaceae bears remarkable affinity with Euphorbiaceae in the following morphological characters such as stellate hairs, nature of fruit, occasional presence of endophore, tendency of unisexuality, presence of caruncle in the seed of some genera, example in Striculia, and leafy cotyledons. So, these characters show close affinity with Euphorbiaceae. Bentham and Hooker placed the family with other allied families such as Malvaceae, Tiliaceae under Thalamiflorae after Dipterocarpi. Engler put the family in his 29 series, Malvaceae preceding Parietes. According to Rendell, this family falls under Malvaceae or Columniflorae after Guttiferens and before Trichoceae. Hutchinson too placed the family in this series Tiliomalvaceae near Euphorbiales. So this is affinities of the family and phylogeny of the family. Now some common plants of the family Abroma angusta, which is also called devil's cotton or perennial Indian hemp, a good substitute of hemp. Then Dombia masteraceae, ornamental plant of gardens. Halicteris caesura, East Indian screw tree common in Sundarbans. Pterospermum acerifolium, avenue tree, flowers very fragrant. Striculia foetida, jungly badam, and avenue tree. So this is all about the family Striculaceae. Here we discussed systematic position, then field recognition characters of the family, then vegetative characters, floral characters of the family, and economic importance of the family, and lastly affinities of the family. So this is all about the family Strigulaceae. Thank you.